Hello everyone, I am Hassan Qannoa. My mission is simple to help you speak English naturally and confidently through real life situation. In every episode, you learn the most useful English expression that native speaker actually use in every day. No grammar, no boring books, just English for real life. Don't study English, live English. Let's begin. Making an appointment. Today's mission: make a change, confirm, and manage your appointment confidently in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to book an appointment by phone, book an appointment online, book an appointment in person, ask about available date and time, choose a doctor or specialist, confirm or reschedule or cancel an appointment, ask about document, insurance and payment, handle common situation at the receptionist desk, speak naturally and confidently in real life appointment situation, booking an appointment by phone. I'd like to book an appointment. I'd like to schedule an appointment. Is there anything available this week? What's the earliest available appointment? Do you have anything available this afternoon? Booking an appointment online. I'd like to book an appointment online. I cannot find any available appointment. This website isn't working. Can I book it over the phone instead? Choosing a date and time. Does Monday morning work for you? Is there anything available after 3 p.m.? I'd prefer an earlier appointment. This time worked perfectly for me. Could you fit me in any sooner? Choosing a doctor or service. I'd like to see Dr. Smith. Is any doctor available today? I need to see a specialist. This is my first appointment. I'd like a routine checkup. Confirming the appointment. Could you please confirm my appointment? Could you repeat the date and the time, please? Will I receive a confirmation email or phone message? Do I need to bring anything? Thank you, I'll see you then. Changing or cancel an appointment. I'd like to reschedule my appointment. I'd like to cancel my appointment. Something unexpected came up. Can we move it to another day? Thank you for your understanding. Document. Do I need to bring my ID? Should I bring my insurance card? Is there anything else I should bring? I've already completed the register form. Insurance payment. Does my insurance cover today's visit? How much does the consultation cost? Do I need to pay today? Which payment method do you accept? Is there an additional fee? Okay, reminder, don't memorizing this expression. Imagine you're making a really appointment. Listen, repeat, speak naturally. Step 2, really conversation. Imagine you need to make an appointment. Let's see how English is used in a real life situation. Calling the clinic. Good morning, Green Valley Medical Center. How may I help you today? You can say, good morning, I'd like to schedule an appointment with doctor, please. Receptionist, certainly, may I have your full name and date of birth? You can say, of course, my name is Hassan Qannoa and my date of birth is May 18, 2020. Receptionist, is this the first visit in our clinic? Yes, it is. I've never been here before. Choosing the doctor. Would you like to see a specialist doctor? You can say, if possible, I'd like to see Dr. Smith. If he's unavailable, the first doctor available will be fine. Choosing the date and time. We have an opening on Thursday afternoon would work better for me. Would 3 p.m. be convenient? You can say, yes, this is perfect. Thank you. Booking online. Did you make your appointment online? I tried to, but I couldn't complete the booking. So I decided to call instead. Document. Please remember to bring your ID and insurance card. You can say, certainly. Is there anything else I should bring? Receptionist, if you have previous medical record, please bring them as well. No problem, I'll bring everything with me. Insurance and payment. Before we confirm your appointment, may I verify your insurance information? You can say, does my insurance cover today consultation? Receptionist, yes it does. There will only be a small co-payment. Great. Can I pay by the card? Yes, we accept both cash and card payment. You can say, perfect, thank you. Confirmation. Receptionist, your appointment has been confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. You can say, excellent, thank you very much. Rescheduling. A few days later, how may I assist you? I'd like to reschedule my appointment. Something unexpected came up. What day will suit you better? You can say, will next Monday morning be available? Yes, we have an appointment at 10 a.m. You can say, that worked perfectly for me. Thank you. Canceling the appointment. Receptionist, would you like to cancel your appointment instead? Yes, unfortunately, I won't be able to make it. I'd like to cancel it. Receptionist, no problem. Please let us know if you'd like to book another appointment. You can say, I certainly will. Thank you for your understanding. Arriving at the clinic. Receptionist, good morning. Do you have already an appointment? You can say, yes, I have an appointment at 3 p.m. with Dr. Smith. Receptionist, may I see your ID and your insurance card, please? You can say, of course, here you are. Arriving late. Receptionist, I noticed you're about 10 minutes late. You can say, I am very sorry. There was a heavy traffic on the way here. Receptionist, that's alright. The doctor will still be able to see you. You can say, thank you, I really appreciate it. Okay, waiting. Receptionist, please have a seat. The doctor will call you shortly. Approximately how long will the wait be? Receptionist, about 10 to 15 minutes. Receptionist, thank you for letting me know. Being called. Nurse, Mr. Hassan, the doctor is ready to see you now. You can say, thank you. Okay, before leaving. Receptionist, would you like to schedule your follow-up appointment? You can say, yes, I'd like to book it before I leave. Receptionist, would you like a print copy of today's report or should we email it to you? You can say, please email it to me. That will be perfect. Receptionist, everything has been confirmed. Have a wonderful day. You can say, thank you very much. Have a great day. See you next time. Okay, now 1 minute speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Imagine you need to book and manage your appointment. Speak naturally for 1 minute. Try to answer these questions in your own word. Why did you need to make an appointment? You can answer, I needed to make an appointment because I wasn't feeling well and wanted to see a doctor as soon as possible. How did you book your appointment? You can say, I first tried to book it online, but the website wasn't working, so I called the clinic instead. What information did the receptionist ask for? You can answer, the receptionist asked for full name, my date of birth, and whether it was my first visit to the clinic. Did you ask any questions before confirmation the appointment? Yes, I asked whether my insurance covered the visit, if I needed to bring any document, and whether I would receive a confirmation email. Did anything change before your appointment? Yes, something unexpected came up, so I called the clinic and rescheduled my appointment for the following Monday. What happened when you arrived at the clinic? You can say, I checked in the receptionist desk, showed my ID and my insurance card, and wait for the doctor to calling my name. What happened before you left? You can answer, before I left, I scheduled a follow-up for my appointment and asked the receptionist to email me a copy of my visit today. Okay, finally speaking mission. Now imagine you're telling a friend about your entire experience. Try to include why you needed an appointment, how you booked it, whether you booked online or by phone, what the receptionist asked you, whether you changed or cancelled your appointment, what happened when you arrived, whether you needed insurance or made a payment, what happened before you left the clinic. Speak continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't worry about making mistakes. Focus on speaking naturally and confidently. The more you use English in your real life situation, the more fluent and confident you'll become. Real life mission. Before the next episode, try to use at least 5 expressions from today's lesson in a real or imagined conversation. You can practice with a friend, speak to yourself, or record your voice. Remember, fluency comes from using English, not just study it. Today you didn't just learn, you lived English. Use today expression in your daily life. Stay consistent, and little by little, you'll start speaking naturally and confidently. Don't study English. Live English. See you next episode. I love you so much.